I'm Dr. Rupa, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist from Apollo Hospitals. So, what is a fertile period? Many women come asking, what is the right time for me to try for a pregnancy? So, it's important to understand your menstrual cycle to know the fertile window. So, usually from the first day of your period to the first day of your consecutive period is the length of your menstrual cycle. This is usually about 20 to 30 days, but anything between 21 to 35 days is considered to be normal. So usually ovulation occurs 14 days before your next menstrual period. So the lifespan of the egg is about 12 to 48 hours and that of the sperm is about 5 days, 3 to 5 days. So if you calculate the days, then 5 days prior to the ovulation to the day of the ovulation and 1 or 2 days after the ovulation is the good time when the chances of pregnancy are high. So this is considered as the fertile window. So on an average, if your cycle, if the length of the cycle is about 28 days, then from day 10 to about day 16 to day 17 is the fertile window. So in this period, we advise to have a timed intercourse at least on alternate day to have high chances of pregnancy. But sometimes the length of the cycle may vary very much. So if your cycles are irregular, then you can see what is your shortest cycle and the longest cycle. So take your shortest cycle, subtract 18 from it to have the first day of your fertile window. Take your longest cycle and subtract 11 from it to have the last day of your fertile window. But again, the date of the ovulation may vary. It may not be exactly sometimes on the 12th or 14th days. So on an average, we say if your cycles are more or less regular, so to take it from about day 8 to day 10 to up to day 20, at least have intercourse on every alternate day or once in every 2 days to have the high success rates. But if your cycles are very irregular, vary a lot, then maybe you can take the help of your doctor to monitor your ovulation and then have a timed intercourse.